Hello to Puan Nurasni. So for this video presentation, we will present for our end of chapter 1 for course DJM 50122 embedded system. So before we start our presentation, I will introduce my group member first. So my group member consists of 3 people, which is me myself, Muhammad Al-Fariduddin bin Ahmad, my friend Muhammad Ahmad Ikwan bin Aziz, and last but not least Farizul Azrin bin Omar. So for this project, we will use PIC 16F877A microcontroller to control LED to function like a traffic light. Traffic light normally consists of 3 signals that will transmitting meaningful information to the drivers and riders through their symbols and colors, including arrows and bicycles. So there are 3 colors that are regularly used in traffic light, which is red, yellow and green, that will be either arranged vertically or horizontally in that order. Although this internationally and standardized, there are many variations in national and local scales as to the traffic light sequence and laws. So PIC 16 F877A is a PIC microcontroller that normally used in embedded projects such as home automation system and bank security system. So for this project, we will use PIC 16 F877A controller to control the LED traffic light. So this is flowchart program for our project. Our program we will have 6 sequence, and every sequence will have 1000 millisecond delay for every sequence transition, and this sequence will act as a loop. So first we will initialize the input and output for our PIC system F877A microcontroller. And then for the first sequence, we will have only for traffic light A, only the green light will be high, and for traffic light B and C, only the red light will be high. For the second sequence, for traffic light A, only the orange light will be high, and for traffic light B and C, only the red light will be high. For the third sequence, only the orange light on traffic light B will be high, and for traffic light A and C, only the red light will be high. For our fourth sequence, only the green light for traffic light B will be high, and for the traffic light A and C, only the red light will be high. So for the fifth sequence, only the green light for traffic light C will be high, and for the traffic light A and B, only the red light will be high. For our last sequence, for only the green light for traffic light C will be high, and for traffic light A and B, only the red light will be high. This sequence will keep looping until the system is turned off.
Okay, thanks for my friend Farid for the explanation of the flowchart. So I am Muhammad Aiman Ikhwan and my Madrid number is 01DM20F1062, and I will continue the presentation from him, Muhammad Farid, and I will talk about the program of our task. Okay, for the first line, we put the initialization, and that is trace B and trace C, and I put 0x00 because I want to make that part as the output. So my project is just using the port B and port C. That is why we put the trace B and trace C. So next, I put the while function for make the program looping. In the reality, traffic light sequence is looping. After traffic light A green, next traffic light B will green and C will continue the sequence. After that, I'm using port function. Port function is not same as the trace function. So trace function is for indicate the port is input or output. If we set 1 for the port B, the input 1, the port B is will be the input, and 0 will be the output. And the port function is about the value of the port. If we set port A is equal to 1, that is means all port A will energize. Or if we connect LED of that port, it will be on, it will energize, and on or emit, and 0 for de-energize. Then we also using the delay function. Delay function is for make the program delay. For example, if we set the like a is equal to 1, then we put the delay function, the like will on as long as the value of the delay we set. Okay, next is about the circuit. So this is the circuit of our project, and I'm using animated traffic light and connect it into the port A and port B of the PIC16FX77A. So at the middle is the schematic diagram of PIC16FX77A, and it's connected with the power, and at the clock we use the crystal and also the two capacitor and so on. Okay, this is the demo of our project. If we start the program, the first is traffic light A will be green, then traffic light B will be red, then C will be red. Okay, the next sequence will the traffic light A will be orange, then traffic light B will be turned to green, then A is red, C still in the red light. Then B change to red and C change to orange to green. Then C turn to orange back. Then A turn to um, green again. Okay, that is the sequence, and we'll looping until the end.
So this is video demonstration for our project. So as you can see on the video, as it said on the flowchart, for the first sequence, for traffic light A, only the green LED will be light. And for traffic light B and C, only the red LED will be light. So as for the second sequence, for traffic light A, only the orange LED will be light. And as for the traffic light B and C, it stay the same, which is only the red light will be light.
Okay, I will continue for the result. Okay, this is the result of our project. At the table 3, traffic light A, the value of the red light is 1, and orange, the value is 0, green is 0. That indicate that in the traffic light A, just red is light on. So the next is traffic light B. The value of red light is 0, the orange light is 0, and green light is 1. That means the traffic light B just lit LED green is on. And next is traffic light C. So the red light is 1, and the value of the orange light is 0, the value of green light is 0. That means the red light will on. So we can see at the picture above how it looks like. Okay, next is the table 4. Okay, in the table 4, we can see the table that there is the traffic light A, the red light is 1, the orange is 0, the green is 0. Next, traffic light B, the red light is 0, the orange light is 1, and the green light is 0. Next, traffic light C, the red light is 1, the orange light is 0, the value of the green light is 0. So we can see at the traffic light A, just red light is lights on, and the traffic light B, just the orange light is on, and traffic light C, just the red light is on. So we can see at the picture above how it look like. Okay.
Okay, I will continue. for the result, and in table 5, we got the value of traffic light A, red is 1, and orange is 0, and green is 0. It means the traffic light A, the red light is on. The traffic light B, the red light is value 1, orange is 0, and green is 0, which is same like traffic light A, the red light is on. For the traffic light C, the red color is 0, orange is 0, and green is 1. It means that for the traffic light C, green light is on. And for the table number 6, the traffic light A, the value of red is 1, orange is 0, green is 0. It means the traffic light A, the red light is on. For the traffic light B, the value of the red is 1, orange is 0, green is 0, which is the red light for traffic light B is on. And next is the traffic light C, the red color is 0, orange is 1, and green is 0. For that means traffic light C, the orange light is on. So for the conclusion for this end of chapter is the power of microcontroller is so powerful because its capability to create and compiling the program make work more useful. So for this end of chapter, we create the application of traffic light function using microcontroller. At the end of the observation, we create the program and compile it, and at the end, we successfully finish the program and test it using the software. So that's only the end of our presentation. Thank you.